Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer domain ownership on Namecheap. Today we're going to dive into the process of transferring domain ownership within Namecheap, whether you're selling a domain, gifting it, or moving it between your own accounts. Alright, this guide will walk you through each step using Namecheap's web interface, which is here. So begin by visiting www.namecheap.com and logging into your account with your account credentials. Then navigate to the left-hand sidebar of Namecheap. You're going to find a couple of options here: dashboard, expiring or expired domain list to profile. Now go ahead and click on domain list to view all your registered domains. I do not have any domain registered, so there's literally nothing to show, but if you do, you're going to find all your domains registered here, the registered domains here. So from your list of domains, locate the domain you wish to transfer. Then once you locate the domain you wish to transfer, click the manage button next to that domain to access its settings. Now within the domain management page, all you need to do is to click on sharing and transfer tab. Click the sharing and transfer tab and scroll down to the change ownership section. In there, enter the Namecheap username or email address of the new owner and click the change button to proceed. Now, if the recipient doesn't have a Namecheap account, an invitation will be sent to the provided email address, prompting them to create one. So once you do that, a confirmation window will appear. Go ahead and enter your account password to authorize the transfer and choose the appropriate contact information option. Use current contact to retain existing WHOIS information and specify new contact if the new owner will provide their own details. Then click confirm to finalize the transfer initiation. The domain push is free of charge and does not affect DNS settings, ensuring no downtime for your website or email services. Now the new owner will receive an email with a link to accept the domain transfer. They should click the link and log into their Namecheap account. If they do not have an account, they'll be prompted to create one using the same email address the invitation was sent to. Of course, after logging in or creating an account, they will confirm the transfer and the domain will appear in their account. If the recipient has enabled the automatically accept invitations option in your account settings, the domain will transfer immediately without requiring email confirmation. And that's it. You have successfully transferred domain ownership on Namecheap. Remember, while the domain itself transfers, associated services like hosting or email may require separate actions. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.